So we're gonna start taking out this bolt. There's two bolts, and then I'm gonna do it with the prior bullet point mounts. The Bulletpoint mounts solution will send you the whole packages to take out the screws that it has, like this one. So we're gonna take that one out first, and we're gonna pry this up right here in the corner. Stay tuned. So now that this came out, we're gonna measure it and put two holes in here. For the bracket that goes in here, we're gonna do the right measurements and put the holes in there. Stay tuned. Check this out, guys. So I did the hole, and there's like 4 holes in here, and the screws are gonna go in there. So I'm gonna put it in right now and see how this thing fits. So I mounted the thing, as you can see, strong and steady. Now I'm gonna put the bolts in the top, and then I'm gonna put this back, and it should fit perfect. Stay tuned. Check this out, guys. I put the mount. The thing about this is you gotta take this whole thing out and then install this mount on before you install this one, the big one. So you gotta put this one first, and then if you're gonna put other mounts, you're gonna have to take these off again and then put them here or here, whatever you're gonna put them at. So that's kind of like a tricky thing. Looks awesome. So I'm gonna install it, and let's see how it fits. So it fit perfectly. Look at this. So steady and strong. I'm just gonna buy another device for this to hold the phone. But for right now, I did this, and it shows it's perfect. It's awesome. It fit right on target. No issues, no nothing. Check this out, guys. This is the final result. Look at how it came out. It came out beautiful, installed. I put the bracket. This is gonna come out. I'm gonna put another one. I just temporarily did this for right now. But the bracket, it's holding strong. Everything came out good. There's gonna be another device going there and another one back there. So I might end up putting like a scanner, and that should work out. And then look at the mount on this mount. So it came out nice. Everything came out beautiful. Check this out. On the top mount. I'll put its description and link where you can buy it. Thanks for tuning in.